Struggling to grow and scale your business without feeling like you're, just spinning your wheels or possibly even burning out? Today, we're going to discover the 5 key mistakes that, may be holding your business back and how to fix them fast. But before I give you those 5 key mistakes and really how to fix them, I have a free resource that I'd like to give to you, and it's called How Successful Leaders Think. Just type the word leader down below in the description, and I'll send you the link to get your free copy of How Successful Leaders Think. Now to the 5 key mistakes that may be holding your business back and how to fix them fast. The first mistake and solution is this: trying to scale alone. Many business owners hold on too tightly, making every decision, solving every problem, and bottlenecking their team's growth. You can't build a scalable business if you're stuck being the only engine that runs it. So what do? You shift from doer to a leader. Stop trying to be the MVP of every task. Start building a team you can trust. Ask, what must only I do? And what can I delegate, automate, or even elevate? The second mistake, confusing management with leadership. Managing tasks is not the same as inspiring people. Many owners spend too much time reacting instead of leading proactively. Leadership is about vision, influence, and trust, not just checking off the boxes. So we must learn to clarify the vision and communicate it often. People follow clarity, not chaos. Your team needs to know where you're going and why. Practice a weekly rhythm of casting vision, aligning priorities, and celebrating progress. The third key mistake business owners make is hiring talent without developing it. Business owners often assume hiring the right people is just enough. But without consistent leadership, even top talent underperforms. You see, it's your job to develop leaders, not just hire them. As a leader, you must develop your team's leadership capacity. Build leaders at every level. Use frameworks, get feedback, and coach to stretch their growth. But remember, if you don't develop leaders, you'll always be the one doing the leading. The fourth mistake is avoiding hard conversations. Conflict avoidance is common, but very dangerous. It leads to misalignment, resentment, and unspoken tension. Avoiding tough talks doesn't protect your culture, it actually poisons it. So what do we need to do? We need to create a culture of accountability and ownership. Empower your team to solve problems, not just complete tasks. Use clear roles, expectations, and regular reviews to build a high-trust, high-responsibility culture. And the fifth mistake business owners and aspiring leaders make is not investing in their own growth. Many business owners invest in tools, marketing, and staff, but forget that the growth of their business is tied directly to their own growth as a leader. You see, your business can't grow past your capacity to lead. So here's what we need to do as leaders, as business owners, is invest in our own leadership development. Great leaders never stop growing. Read books, hire a coach, join masterminds, whatever it takes, sharpen your edge. Your team doesn't need a perfect leader, they need a growing one. Now, if you're a business owner who's ready to lead your team with confidence, build systems that scale, and finally step into the visionary role your business needs, let's talk. Book a free leadership strategy call by clicking the link in the description below. And also, don't forget to type the word leader down below in the description, and I'll send you the link to get your free copy of How Successful Leaders Think. Thanks for watching, and really I hope you got some valuable information today on what we talked about. And if I can ever help you, just DM me below. I look forward to talking with you soon, and until next time, keep moving forward.